Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your errors with your battery. So for fixing it you just need to open your iPhone and just go to the settings, and first thing you also need to check if your battery have 100% of life. So you need to check it if you need to because sometimes if you have really not many percent of live battery, so you need to charge your battery to new. So just go to battery here from settings, and just in battery you choose battery health, and here you can see maximum capacity. So here you will see how much percent left on your battery. So I also set new battery not some time ago, but here you can see that I have new battery. So if you have here about 60 or 70%, it means that your battery is very low, and that you need also to charge your battery to new. Here you can see this is a measure of battery capacity relative to when it was new. Lower capacity may result in few hours of usage between charges. So if you have here not so many, like 60 or 70%, you need to charge your battery. Also you can see here you need to turn on your optimize battery charging. It means that to reduce battery aging, iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. So you can also choose this, and it will help you to work more without charging your battery. So another thing, you can also check your activity. So here you can also check what programs, what apps takes a lot and more of your battery. So you can optimize your applications, so you can just delete some applications that takes too much percent of your battery. You also can use your phone without these applications. So you can also check this for 24 hours and for last 10 days. Here you can see it. There also I use most of all YouTube. And also you can see here also another thing, you can turn on its low power mode. Just click here and you will turn it on. So now low power mode, it means that it will temporarily reduce background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your iPhone. So it will help you to works. Here you can see that also our battery changed from white to yellow color. So it means that we use low power mode. So now our iPhone will works more without charging your battery. So another thing, also you can go back to settings, and in settings you will find here go to general, just open general, and here in general you will see background app refresh. So just turn it off. What it means? It means that it will automatically updating all applications that need, and also you can see that when we activated low power mode, it disabled our background app refresh. So if you didn't turn on this low power mode, you need to turn off manually here background refresh, and it won't automatically update your applications without your permission on background. So here you can also choose some special applications and just disable this function for some applications that you choose. And also another thing you can also try, it's to just make You know, it depends on your lighting, so if you make it lower, your iPhone will work more without charging, because it takes too much battery to lighting your display more, and if you do it lower, it will help you to use your battery without charging more. So that's all methods I can tell you to make your battery works more without charging. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.